Hola amigos, bienvenidos a la clase de español. ¿Qué tal? Hope all of you are doing well, right? So, pues, we have already learned los artículos sí y artículos definidos y artículos indefinidos, ¿sí? And we have already learned that all the nouns in Spanish are either masculine or feminine, right? So according to that, we will use articles, right? Definite as well as indefinite articles. Okay. And another important thing, that is in indefinite article, what is indefinite article? That is e and an in English, and that's the most important thing. That is for e and an both. For e and an both, we will use un or una. Okay. For both a and an, both. For masculine, we will use uno or un, and for feminine, it will be una. Okay? For masculine singular number, uno or un, and feminine singular number, it will be una. Okay? For indefinite article, that is a and an both. For both, we will use un or uno or una. Okay? Clear? So, now the question is, how will we understand which one is masculine, which one is feminine word, right? So, there is no hard and fast rule, like this way we will understand this is masculine words, this is feminine words, like this way. There is no hard and fast rule. But, generally speaking, actually, the words, those who are ends with, the nouns, those who are ends with O, U, L, N, R or S, generally masculine nouns. Okay. Like arbol, like color, pan, mess. These all are masculine nouns or masculine words. Okay. But there is some exception also. That's why I've told you there is no hard and fast rule that this way it will be masculine or that is feminine. And what is the exception? The exception is mano. Mano, see, the word mano ends with O, but this is not a masculine word. It is a feminine word, la mano. So, this is the exception, okay? So, basically, the words, those are ended with O, U, L, N, S, are generally, we assume that these all are masculine, but there is always exception, as I've told you. Similarly, those nouns suffixed by, ended with miento, dor, al, these all are masculine words, like temporal, imperador, aborrecimiento. Okay, these all are masculine words. Okay, and there is also exception, like I told you, like mano, photo, radio. These all are exception. These all are feminine words, but ended with O. Right? So, basically, those were ended with miento, dor, al, these all are masculine words. Okay. Similarly, for feminine, the words ended with on, yon, tud, di, tad. These all are feminine words or nouns. Okay. Por ejemplo, razón. Okay. Feminine. Nación. Pared. These all are feminine words. Okay. And nouns that ended with Z. Z also, it's a feminine word. Por ejemplo, cruz, vos, luz. these all are feminine words. Okay, but there is also exceptions. I have already told you, like lapis. Lapis is an exception. Okay, it's not a feminine word, it's a masculine word, lapis, but it's ended with z. That's why it's exception. Okay, lapis, a rose, these all are exception. Now you're going to ask me, ma'am, how will we understand this one masculine, this one feminine? See, we will just have to learn this as we come across them. Means when we will practice a lot, when we will learn lots of words, we will understand that this is masculine, this is feminine. Basically, these rules, by this rule, we can understand that this is masculine word, this is feminine, like this way. Otherwise, with lots of practice, it will be easier for us to understand this one is masculine, this one is feminine, and we have to put articles according to that. Okay. And eighth gallo articles portion. Then what we will do, I've told you already that just practice comer pronome sujeto, whatever we have done, right? Because we will learn how to make some small sentences with that, right? I hope you have learned this. Comer, verbo comer y pronome sujeto. ¿Sí? ¿Sí o no? ¿Sí? Bueno, so with verbo comer and pronome sujeto, we will learn some words, some sentences with that. So, tell me, we have learned already that pronome sujeto is subject pronoun, first person yo, second person tú, like this way, okay? And verbo comer verb, it means to eat, right? So let's put together and try to make some sentences. Okay? Ready? Uno, dos, tres, empecemos. First, I eat bread with butter. What it will be in Spanish? How will you say it in Spanish? Yo eat. I eat. I have told you in Spanish verbs will change according to first person, second person, right? Do you remember that? So verb will change according to first person, second person. So yo como pan con mantequilla. Con means with. Okay. Yo como pan con mantequilla. Okay. So next one. You eat the apple. Apple in Spanish is la manzana. La manzana. Okay. You eat apple. The apple. You, that is not formal you. Okay. It's similar to our tui. It's similar to our tu. Okay. बांग्ला हमने तू ही बोली, हिंदी ते तू बोली, हिंदी में तू बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. So it's not formal you. In Spanish, that informal you is tú. Okay. So you eat the apple. It will be tú comes la manzana. Okay. Then third one. They eat dessert. What is dessert in Spanish? Dessert is postre. Okay, postre. They eat dessert. It will be ellas comen el postre. Okay, ellas comen el postre. Ellas, why ellas? We assume that there's a group of, they all are female. Okay, that's why ellas. It's not ellos. Okay. So, ellas comen el postre. Okay. What is I speak Spanish? Yo. Hablo. It's similar to comer. Okay, hablar, the verb hablar means to speak. Okay, the verb hablar means to speak and it will change like comer. Okay, so yo hablo español means I speak Spanish. Okay, yo hablo español. Okay, and the hablar verb will change according to comer verb. Okay. Then he is my friend. He is my friend. He is, what is he in Spanish? El, right? El. He is my friend. It will be él es mi amigo. Okay, easy. Él es mi amigo. What is, she is my friend. Then ella es mi amiga. Okay, él es mi amigo. Ella es mi amiga. Okay, then we speak in Spanish. If I speak in Spanish is yo hablo español, then what is we in Spanish? Nosotros. We have done it in our pronombre sujeto. Nosotros hablamos. Do you remember? That comer verb will change according to the subject wise. So, hablar verbs is also change with the subject wise. So, it will be nosotros hablamos español. We speak in Spanish. We speak Spanish. Nosotros hablamos español. Okay? So, let's make a sentence with vosotros. What is vosotros? Vosotros is a plural form of you, right? Plural you. Vosotros coméis las galletas. Vosotros coméis las galletas. What's the meaning? Galletas, cookies or biscuit, right? We have learned it. Cookies or biscuit, galletas. Las galletas mean few cookies or few biscuits, or some cookies, some biscuits. Vosotros coméis las galletas means you in plural. You are eating some cookies, right? Next one. Let's make a sentence with usted. What is usted in Spanish? Usted. Usted is a formal you. As I've told you earlier, usted is formal you. What is that? Means I've told you there's lots of similarity with Bengali and Hindi with Spanish, right? In Spanish also we have tui, tumi, apni, or tu, tum, ap. Okay, so usted is that one, apni or ap. Okay, so usted is a formal you, that is apni. আমরা বাংলায় যেটা আপনি বলি, हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं? आप. For that we will use usted. Okay, let's make a sentence with usted. Usted come el mango. Usted come el mango. Just see that come verb will change according to person wise. So it will be usted come el mango. Okay, what is el mango? Mango. Okay, so I hope you can understand how to make a small sentences. We will continue with making sentences like this. So keep practicing, and I will post everything in our GCR. Okay, and I will post everything in our GCR. Write down everything and practice it. Muy bueno. Adiós. Hasta la vista.